Hi everyone, this is Plug Spinner, and today we're going to be picking this vintage Corbin padlock. Based on what I could find out online, this was made around the 1930s, so about 90 years ago. It does have a zinc body and a hardened steel shackle, and the core is 6 pins. We do have 2 keys right here, one which looks like an original with the Corbin stamp, and one which is some sort of unbranded. And they do work perfectly. It's very smooth, especially if the age of this padlock is correct. So we're going to see if we can pick into it. We will be using a top of keyway tensioner made by Lockpick Extreme and a slimline hook made by Southord. So we're going to apply a little tension and look for a binder. Feels like pin 2 is binding. Got to click out of 2. Pin 1. Okay, got to click out of 1. Pin 2 is bound again. Click out of 2. Pin 1 again. Okay, I think pin 1 is good. Maybe not. Pin 1 is bound again. Okay, I think we got 1 now. Pin 4. Click out of 4. Pin 3. Okay, I think 3 is good. Pin 5. And pin 6. Okay. And pin 5 is bound again. And we got an open. So this is a non-removable core, so unfortunately we won't be able to take a look at what's inside. But that is our video for this week. I hope you did enjoy, and if you did, I would appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.